Imagine two unlikely partners, fungus and algae, joining forces to survive places where few others dare. Lichen is born when these organisms collaborate. The fungus weaves a protective structure, shielding the delicate algae from harsh winds and blazing sun. In return, the algae harness sunlight to make food, sharing nutrients with the fungus. This partnership allows lichen to colonize barren rocks, frozen tundras, and even city walls. Scientists now study lichens as indicators of air quality, since their survival depends on clean air. Their teamwork is nature's lesson in resilience.